Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic which is what is psychology? The term psychology is derived from two Greek words, namely psyche, which means soul, and logos, which means science or study of a subject. Thus, the meaning of psychology became psychology was a study of soul and mind. This definition of psychology was used in earlier times. But gradually, as psychology developed as a scientific discipline, the definition of psychology became more scientific. Therefore, the definition of psychology is psychology scientifically studies mental processes, experiences, and behavior in different contexts of a single individual or a dyadic group or an organization by using biological and social science methods. Three terms in this definition are important and main, which are first, mental processes, second, experience, and third, behavior. First, mental processes. Mental processes means activities of the mind which are states of consciousness or awareness and cognition, like solving a problem, remembering, learning, perceiving, etc. Second, experiences. Experience means one's own self-understanding and observation about anything. Therefore, experiences are subjective in nature because a person himself or herself is aware and known about his or her own experiences, and these experiences of one person cannot be directly observed by other person. Experiences can be influenced by external or internal conditions. For example, if a person travels by bus on a very hot summer day, he will experience discomfort. Whereas, if the same person travels with a close friend or a family on the same bus on the same summer hot day, he will not experience such a discomfort. Third is behavior. Behavior means responding to something or reacting to something or engaging in any activity. There are two types of behavior. First, overt, and second, covert. First, overt. Overt behaviors are those behavior which can be seen and observed by others directly. For example, if you are shaking, it can be seen by others. Second, covert behavior. Covert behaviors are internal which cannot be seen by others directly. For example, if a student is giving an exam and because of the exam she is experiencing anxiety. Due to anxiety, her heart rate is increasing. Increasing of heart rate is a covert behavior which can be felt by the person herself and cannot be seen by others. Increase in the heart rate is a response to a situation of examination. All the behaviors, whether covert or overt, are triggered by first, a stimulus in the environment, and secondly, by internal changes. A stimulus is any object or the event or situation in the environment which triggers a behavior in a person. In psychological term, it can be said that behavior is an association between a stimulus and a response which can be internal or external. Next is psychology as a discipline. The very first laboratory of psychology was established in 1879 in Leipzig. The concepts and principles of psychology are borrowed from various disciplines like social science, biology, neuroscience, computer science, etc. For example, in social psychology, we study the social relationship of a person. This principle of socialization is borrowed from sociology. And also, we study about the brain, which is borrowed from neuroscience and biology. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.